Information about the 1 billion tree planting project in Pakistan. The 1 billion tree planting project in Pakistan is an initiative launched by the Pakistani government in 2018 with the goal of planting 1 billion trees across the country by 2023. The project is part of Pakistan's commitment to the Bond Challenge, a global effort to restore 150 million hectares of deforested and degraded land by 2020 and 350 million hectares by 2030. The project is being implemented by the provincial government of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, KPK, in collaboration with local communities, non-governmental organizations, NGOs, and other stakeholders. The project focuses on planting indigenous tree species, including pines, eucalyptus, and fruit trees, and aims to improve the country's forest cover, combat climate change, and promote sustainable development. The project has been praised for its innovative approach to reforestation, which includes a strong focus on community participation and engagement, as well as the use of technology and data to monitor and track the progress of the planting effort. The project has also generated significant economic benefits for local communities, including the creation of new jobs in the forestry sector and the development of new markets for sustainable wood products. As of April 2023, the project has reportedly planted over 920 million trees across Pakistan, with the remaining 80 million trees expected to be planted by the end of 2023. The project has already surpassed its initial goal of planting 1 billion trees, and the Pakistani government has announced plans to launch a new initiative to plant an additional 10 billion trees across the country in the coming years.